All right, y'all, the great thing about the sneaker community is when they bring sneakers back, it's just some sneakers that you just be excited about. And today is that sneaker for your boy. This is probably the most iconic mismatch what the theme sneaker that Nike has ever created. Today we're going to be unboxing, reviewing, and giving you guys a look of the upcoming Nike Kobe What the Eights, bruh. This sneaker right here is absolutely gorgeous. Let's talk about it. Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're going to be giving you guys a detailed review on feet sizing and unboxing of the Nike Kobe Protro 8 in the What the colorway. Now, this is a sneaker that originally dropped in 2013, and for a lot of people that missed out on this sneaker, this is an absolute must. And it kind of goes along with when you talk about grails from the Kobe line. This is actually one of those sneakers. But before we get up into a detailed look and unboxing of this thing, make sure you guys go and hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. We are almost at 30K. I need you guys to continue to do what you're doing, share the content, and I know we'll get there, man. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you guys. Now, as I stated before, this shoe dropped in 2013, and as you guys can see, it is a mixed match sneaker. You feel what I'm saying? The right shoe is totally different than the left shoe, and it is a lot going on, and this is a mixture. If you guys don't know with the What the theme, it's been a lot of what the Nikes that have dropped, from Jordans, Westbrooks to LeBrons, KDs, Dunks, Air Maxes. But when it comes to this sneaker, basically the concept of the whole What the theme is, you're going to take a whole bunch of different types of sneakers for whatever basketball player or whatever type of sneaker that it is. For this instance, it is the Kobe. They mixed a lot of the different Kobes together, and then you have this theme of the what is going on. So I feel like out of all the What the sneakers, this one is executed perfectly. This one tells a story flawlessly, and Nike perfected these things. But let's go ahead and take a look at the box, as we always do on this channel. So what you guys are going to be getting, you're going to be getting this black box right here. I don't know if this is going to be the standard box moving forward for Kobe's, but I do know that this box right here is with the Dodger Kobe's. And so I think this might be the new standard box for upcoming Kobe's, but it is a little bit more premium. You got the Kobe logo in the gold signature right there. You have the snake scales that you can feel on the box. On the back end of the box, you do have the Mamba logo, and then you have the Nike logo right there. And then on the other side, you have the size tag. As you guys can see right here, if you need to legit check your pair or whatever, go ahead and pause the video. Check out right there, multicolor. This is a size 12, and we'll get off in the sizing here in a second. You have the Mamba logo and then the gold pull tab right here. I know that don't mean a lot for a lot of people, but it just gives you more of a premium feel, in my opinion. Going along the side of the box, nothing different. We're going to open up this box right here, and it does have the black and gold Mamba paper, as you guys can see right there. With the snake skin scales on there as well. And then behind that paper is going to be a white paper also. So super clean box, real premium feel, a lot different than the previous boxes. And again, I don't know if this is just for this sneaker or is this going to be the standard box moving forward. All right, so I wasn't sure how I was going to do this, so I'm going to go ahead and do them together, and then I'll do each shoe separately. So this is going to be the orange. So this is going to be the right sneaker. It's going to be your orange pair, and then your left sneaker is going to be the purple blue pair. So the base is going to be orange on this one, and then the base is going to be like a bluish purple on this one. So as we look at the front of the sneakers together, as you guys can see right here, one of the biggest differences on the tongue of the purple one, you have the KB24 right here, and then on the orange one, you have Kobe. That's going to be the two biggest difference. The tongues are going to be different with the same Mamba logo, but as far as the aesthetic build of the sneaker, it's going to be absolutely the same. On the back end of the sneakers, you're going to have on the right one, on the orange one, it's going to be the Mamba logo on the back end, and on the left one, it is not going to have that Mamba logo. On the inner side of the shoe, on the left one, you're going to have the Nike. This goes for the Mamba Cura Dunks, so you're going to have the Nike right here, and that's going to be the 3M texture. That's going to have that 3M hue to it. Then on the right one is going to be your standard 8, where you're going to gonna have the Nike swoosh right there. So those are the major differences in the sneakers. Let's go ahead and take a look at each individual one. All right, so starting with the right one, this is gonna be a predominantly orange sneaker with hints of green on it. You're gonna have the Nike swoosh right here that's gonna be in that lime green colorway. On the back end of the sneaker, as I stated before, you do have the Mamba logo that's gonna be on the back end. You're gonna have that green stripe. This is standard on all Kobe 8s. You're gonna have the Kobe signature in that lime green colorway, as you guys can see right there. Orange spickle spackle on a darker green outsole right there. The bottom is gonna be this neon green color, kind of translucent color, with the Mamba logo in yellow with the darker green behind it, like a mint green. The bottoms do not glow on these, even though it looks like it does. You got your hard carbon fiber right there that's gonna be in black. Like I said, predominantly orange, yellow, and green, and kind of like a reddish hue colorway going across the whole side of this sneaker, as you guys can see right here. The laces are going to be that yellow and orange with green, a little bit of green in it, and this lace is different than the other lace on the left one. On the tongue, you're gonna have the Mamba logo right there. This tongue is gonna be that thin tongue. It's gonna be that hard plastic almost material. It's not gonna be that fabric material that I like that they did on some of the Kobe 8s from last year. But you know, grade school is gonna be a little bit different. You're gonna have that neon green sock liner, and then the insole is gonna be white. I'll take that insole out in a second. As I stated before, you got the Kobe written right here on this one, as you guys can see right here. Green behind there. And then on the inner side of the shoe, you do have that yellow Nike swoosh right there. Going into that consistent material that's on the outer and the upper of the sneaker also, man. Super clean. Mixture of a lot of different Kobe silhouettes when it comes to this one. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the left one. All right, so when it comes to the right one, it's going to be a predominantly purple and blue upper. As you guys can see, you're going to have that kind of like a dark orange, almost a blood red Nike swoosh right there. Y'all see the texture and stuff on it. It's like a reptilian texture on that Nike swoosh. Going along the back end of it, you don't have the Mamba logo on the back end of this sneaker. It's just blue, and it's kind of like the purple right here. And the reason for that is that you had a Kobe that the Mamba logo was on the socks, and then it went down into the sneaker. I mean, this defines the purpose of this one, but that's basically the reason for that one, kind of paying homage to that sneaker. Along the toe box, as you guys can see right here, it's going to be purple and red laces, as you guys can see. You have the red Mamba logo in green back there on the tongue. You have KB24 right there on the tongue instead of the Kobe. Leading down off into the same material as the other ones, just in a different colorway. Hints of a little bit of orange, red, turquoise, blue, purple on this one. Going on the inner side of the shoe, you do have that Nike right there, and again, that is 3M. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the Kobe signature right here in that orange red colorway. Navy outsole right here with the spickle spackle in blue. Translucent clear outsole on the bottom of this one with the Mamba logo in that orange red color with the purple behind it. Carbon fiber in black as well. The laces on these are gonna be that red again, like I told you. So you got 3 sets of laces, not 4. You got this is one set. They're just different laces on these two. So you have the orange and yellow, and then you have like the orange red and purple right here. But then they also hit you with the 2 sets of laces right here, which is going to be green with the spickle spackle light lime green colorway, and then a lime green with the orange spickle spackle on there as well. So freak it up any way you want to. I'm probably gonna stick with the colors that's on here, to be honest with you. I do like to keep it OG when it comes to this, and this is the OG lacing, so I will be keeping them like that. Now, as far as the insoles, insole is gonna be a white drop insole. As you guys can see, the insoles are pretty thick on the Kobe 8s. If you guys are not familiar with it, like I said before, this is going to impact the sizing when it comes to the Kobe's, but it is going to be just your white insole. It's not going to be colored. So now that we looked at the actual sneaker in the box, let's go ahead and talk about sizing, comfortability, and all that stuff for the on feet look. Let go. All right, y'all. So as we talk about a on feet look and sizing, comfortability, and all that stuff, as you guys can see what they look like on feet for you guys, man, we have the left one right here. I tried to mismatch the socks. I don't know how you guys feel about that. Y'all comment down below and let me know how y'all feel about that. But, you know, back end of them right here, bottoms, all that good stuff. So when it comes to sizing, I will say this, compared to the 2013 pair, I feel like this one is more true to size. So when it comes to sizing, I'm going to say half a size up. This is a size 12. It fits pretty good. I would probably go with a size 12. So do not go true to size, in my opinion. I feel like it's going to be a little bit snug if you go true to size. half a size up on sizing. Comfortability, this one does have the drop insoles in it, and I wear my Kobe's leisurely, so I do feel like that takes a second for them to break in. The react in the foam in this insole is not bad, so they're not too bad. So I would say like a 7 out of 10. But as far as like performance and stuff like that, a lot of people do like to hoop in the Kobe 8s. I'm gonna stick with a 7 out of 10 as far as comfort, man. Then just overall aesthetically, as you guys can see, looking at these sneakers, bro, to me, these are a 10 out of 10 to me, just because iconic sneaker, one of the sneakers I've been waiting for, and just everything with the color, the schemes, putting all the Kobe models together. I feel like Nike executed very, very well on these things. So I definitely will say that they are a solid 10 out of 10. But y'all let me know down in the comment section what your thoughts and opinion. How do y'all think they look on feet? And I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. Let's go. All right, y'all, that is a wrap. That is it. Y'all let me know down below in the comment section if this is a must cop for you guys. And I hope I gave you guys enough detail when it comes to size and stuff like that. Good luck on this release, man. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button for good luck. Comment back on this video and let me know if you got a dub or not, if you agree or disagree, if you think it's any other weapons that are better than this pair. And as far as sizing and stuff go, if I got it wrong, got it right, or whatever, y'all let me know down in the comment section. But I appreciate you guys. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what type. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Gone.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit for OGs in New York.